Good morning, dear students. Today, we shall again learn about direct and indirect speech. Actually, we all of us know what is direct speech and indirect speech. Still, let us revise it. When do we say a sentence is in direct or indirect speech? When the word spoken by a person is reported directly, then it is called direct speech. Means the word spoken by a person can be reported in two ways. Which are they? Direct and indirect. When we caught the exact word spoken by a person, then we call it as a direct speech. By reporting the meaning of the spoken words by the speaker without quoting the actual words, then it is said to be indirect speech. For example, Sohan said to Mohan, "I am going to school." This is direct speech. So when we change into indirect speech, it becomes Sohan told Mohan that he was going to school. There are certain rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Today we will discuss about the first change, that is change in tenses. So all of us know the tenses very well. So let us see the first point. If the reporting verb is in the present or the future tense, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. For example, Satish says, "I am flying a kite." So how shall we change it into indirect speech? Satish says that he is flying a kite. Here you have to listen that there is no change of tense here. Present tense is the same as in the reported speech. Second point, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the tense of the reported speech will change as follows. So let us see the words that come in direct sense. The first word is present indefinite. What does this change makes place? This change into past indefinite. Present indefinite change into past indefinite. Example, the word present indefinite write will change into wrote. Then the next tense is present progressive. It will change into past progressive. Example, the present progressive verbs are am, or, is, or, are, writing, ing form of the verb, first form of the verb. These all will change into was or were plus ing form of the verb, writing. Was is used for the plural singular subject, and were is used for the plural subject. The third tense is present perfect. This tense will change into past perfect. Example, have or has plus third form of the verb, have or has, the word written. It will change into past perfect. We have only one word to show the past perfect, that is had. So has or have written will change into had written. Now we have the next tense, past simple. It will change into past perfect. So let us take the example of wrote. It will change into had written. Now, let us see past progressive into past perfect continuous. will change. For example, was or were plus ing form. It will be changing into had been writing. The last one, past perfect and past perfect continuous. These two tenses remain unchanged. What happens to these two tenses? Past perfect and past perfect continuous remains unchanged. Whereas future will change into a conditional change. How? Will write will change into would write. So that's all for today's learning, dear students. You will be getting a little practice for this direct and indirect speech in the form of editing, omitting and sentence formation. Till then, thank you. And the next part of this direct and indirect speech we will be learning the next day.